First, God out of His love created the world, and we can see in the first part of the video how beautiful the things God has made for us. And we human beings must appreciate the things that God has created to us. That is the first thing we have to treasure in our heart. However, we human beings fail to recognize God's love to us by we are destroying the world, the things that has God created. There are wars, flood, climate change, etc. The testing things reminding us that we have to question ourselves what we have done to this world out of the love of God to us. I, as Clarisan missionaries, inspired by the charism of our congregation, try to do something to help our brothers and sisters, the least in the society. We have the community pantry that we go out every day, every Sunday, to distribute food to the people. That's the third things that I have learned from the Pentateuch, that we can do some things for our brothers and sisters, those who are the least in the society. So the book of Genesis once again reminding us how to appreciate the love of God to the creation and avoiding doing some things that harm to the world. And the third things that we try to extend our love to our brothers and sisters, those are helpless, those who are poor in the society. That is our role as religious missionaries. So thank you so much for your listening.